Gold earlier in the day achieved 2038 levels where we have recommended a buy with the Asia and Europe session video that buy to around 2028-32 zone, and we can expect it to move higher. Likewise, crude oil is perfectly reversed from 75.15, zone. This was the resistance zone mentioned, and it has now come towards the support levels at 73.8. Beautifully respected the levels so far. Now, what to expect from gold and crude oil with the US session? How we can profit? We will share with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second video for the day. Thus, those who watched the first update must have profited. And in order to get the live updates, press the bell icon. Do subscribe the channel and do like, share, and comment. Friends, your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with crude oil. Watch till the end. If you have not joined the channel membership, do join the channel memberships to get the additional benefits. Let's start. First of all, on the hourly charts, we can see gold taking support from 2018-2020, which is definitely a very good support zone. Since then, what it has done, it has achieved higher highs and it is still delivering higher lows. Here, it has come to the bottom of the channel. Thus, only a selling entry is below 2018-2020 zone, below which you can consider gold as bearish. Below 2018, certainly we can see more fall towards 2014-28-10 zone. But right now, if you look at, see the rise here, retracement, and see the bearishness getting diminished with these two candles. We have seen bearishness getting diminished, and now it is trying to consolidate. We have to wait for it to break beyond now. See 2028, 2030, very strong resistance exists around this zone. And that is why I say only above this zone we can initiate a buying position. And this time possibly we might look forward to higher highs at 2040, 2042 if it stays bullish from the current levels. Stochastic has come to oversold. MACD just crossing over for a sell again. We have to be watchful at the current levels. Yes, this is a selling entry. It is a divergent crossover. However, we have to wait for a couple of more candles. If it continues to diverge, then only confirm the bearishness. RSI has dropped a bit. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see multiple candles failed to break below 2018-2020 zone. Since then, retracement, then the drop here, higher lows, higher highs. We have to wait for it to break below 2018-2020 zone in order to confirm the bearish reversal. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is still in green. It has converged but not yet crossover. RSI flat. Coming to 3. Likewise, on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. Yes, it is still yielding higher lows, higher highs. We have to wait for it to break on the downside. And on the upside, yes, 28-32 zone is again going to be a critical resistance. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green, trying to trade with moderate bullishness. RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4-hour charts, just observe one point. See, after the drop here, it has retraced. See, earlier given a breakout on the 4-hour chart. See, it was forming a flag. It has given a breakout and it has again fallen back within the zone. Now, remember, it is still not to be treated bearish. Again, as I say, below 2018-2020 zone is only where the bears will be seen. Else, now one must notice it has given a breakout here, and thus it can continue on the upside. Staying beyond 2028-2032 zone is where the bulls will take over. The stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is in green, trying to converge, but it has not yet crossed over. RSI flat. Coming to the, and before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my signals channel if you just want to trade as per the signals. Join the premium Telegram channel. Again, reach out to me for any of your queries, and do visit the platform forexfunda.com where you have all your queries answered related to the mentorship batch. Also, you will get there an option to book a call or consultation with me if you need any guidance. And this call is completely free if you're part of our webinar series. So do register for that. Do join the services. Reach out to me, and yes, you can get the live updates of the channel by joining the free Telegram channel as well. Now, coming to the daily charts, if you look at the daily charts, first of all, lower highs are seen here. So far, the candle has been green, and yes, it has achieved the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. But it failed to break past the resistance here at 2040, 2042. That is a key resistance zone, and that is where we can see it retracing back. Another point to observe here is, see, all the 3 candles got the support intact. The preceding 2 candles were with lower highs, lower lows, and this candle has already breached this channel here. Thus, it has tried to give a breakout, but on the upside, it has got its resistance intact. That was the important point, because if it would have breached this resistance at 2040-42, certainly the bulls would have taken it on the upside. Also, if you look largely on the daily charts, gold is been trading in this bearish channel. It has to give a breakout here, which is, as we discussed, first about 2050 and then about 2060-65 is where you can consider this for a breakout, else it is still trading and forming a bearish flag. The stochastic is showing a little rise. The MACD is trading bearish. It is trying to converge, but it is not showing much of the momentum to cross over RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2028-32 zone. Expect it to move towards 2036-40 and 42. Yes, 40 and 42 is the resistance it needs to break past by in order to confirm a reversal. Yes, beyond this, we can look forward to 2050 and after that 2060-65. These are the resistances it needs to breach in order to stay bullish. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell gold at 2018 levels, below which we can expect 2014. Then 2008, 2010 is the resistance here. Very, very strong support exists at 2008, 2010 levels, below which certainly we are looking forward to 2000 and below levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. See, for crude oil, earlier in the day, we have seen why 75.2 should be a good resistance. Precisely, oil has reversed from the same levels and it has come down to the support zone. And yes, still we have a little more move on the downside where 73.4, 73.6 is the stronger support here on the down. Also on the hourly charts, one must note it is forming lower highs, lower lows, and it has not yet breached the support here at 73, 73.5, which is going to remain an extremely, extremely important support level. On the hourly charts also, lower highs, lower lows. Let it break beyond 74.5 levels in order to confirm further rise. And then again, we have to wait for it to break past 75, 75.2 in order to confirm the breakout. Else it is still trying to retrace and trying to trade in a bearish channel. Stochastic oversold. MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence 4 candles away from the crossover. RSI is showing a retail rise. Likewise, on the 2 hour chart, see, divide this into two. See the symmetry here. Look at the couple of greener candles. Look at the couple of red candles and the higher highs and the lower lows. Yes, it is trying to trade still bullish here. Yes, it is giving you higher lows here. But look at what happened after these two lows. One red and then it is showing one green, which followed with two green means possibly two red can be seen here with the higher lows, which means it can still move towards 73, 73.5 zone, which is definitely going to be a very strong support zone. Stochastic coming to oversold, MACD just crossing over, trading with divergence, trading bearish. Look, it has formed a double top and it is continuing on the downside. Possibly little more bearishness can be seen. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, just look at the pattern here. See, first of all, higher lows, higher highs. Beautifully, it is trading in this. Support here at 73.4, 73.5, and then 73. Very, very strong. Rise to the top, retracement to the bottom, rise to the top, retracement to the bottom. And if it reverses, and if you see, oil is trading any point of time today is staying above 75, 75.2. Consider that it is going to hit 76 levels soon. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to cross over here. This crossover may lead to slight bearishness. Be watchful of this. RSI looking almost flat. Coming to 4 hour chart. Likewise, on the 4 hour charts, rise to the top, retracement, rise, retracement to the 50 period. Moving averages running parallel and are still layered over one other, which suggests bullishness here, and that is what makes 73, 73.5 zone as a very strong support zone. And yes, if you see it, oil staying below 73.8, we can initiate a selling position, expecting it to move towards 73.5, then 73.2 and 73. Yes, these are going to remain three very, very important support levels for the day. What has happened here? Yes, it is still yielding higher lows, higher highs. So we have to wait for it to hit the bottom and then bounce. Right now, it is trying to reverse from the median of it. Possibly 20 period can remain a good support. We can initiate a buying position here at 74.4 levels, 74.3 levels, but then with caution, because see, it has to break these highs in order to confirm the reversal. As long as it stays below 75.2, we should not be treating oil as bullish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge, crossover for a sell. And yes, it is still having some room for it to rise, but it is right now trying to converge and crossover. RSI has dropped. Coming to the daily. Now, if you notice the daily charts, a couple of bullish candles, couple of retracement, one bullish candle with the higher highs and higher lows. Yes, staying above 74.3, 74.5 zone, certainly we can look forward to 75, 75.2 as the first resistance, and then I will look forward for it to move towards 76. 76 is the milestone which I will be looking forward to, because beyond this there should be a stronger bullish move. What has happened here on the daily charts so far since day before yesterday till day before yesterday, we were looking forward to lower highs and higher lows. Day before yesterday it has given a breakout, but again trying to fall back within the zone. And remember, because see, this breakout here is going to be a stronger one. Whenever it occurs, we have to take a position and hold it for a while towards 78 or 80 levels, possibility adjust. But right now it is very much shy of these levels here. 75, 75.2 is the first buying position, beyond which certainly the bullishness can remain, and then we can try to move towards 76. Stock I stick near to top, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI almost flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy today at 74.3, expect 74.6, 75, 75.2 as the three resistances. After that, with this time I will look forward to 76 levels as the next targets. On the downside, a selling entry at 73.8 can be taken, but 73.5, 73.2 and 73.3 support levels, and only below this we can confirm that it is reversing, and below 73 certainly the bearish momentum is going to prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, webinar series, signals channel. Join the free telegram channel to guide, take the latest updates, and yes, visit the platform forexfunda.com. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do watch that as well. Thank you very much.